I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll explain exactly what Reset All Settings does on your iPhone or iPad. If you've been troubleshooting a tech issue, you've probably seen this option buried in your settings menu. It sounds scary, like you're about to delete your entire life, but it's actually one of the most useful middle ground tools Apple provides. The big question: does it delete my data? The short answer is no. Reset All Settings does not delete your photos, videos, text messages, apps, or emails. Your data remains exactly where it is. What it does do is return your system preferences to the way they were the day you took the phone out of the box. Think of it like a refresh button for the iOS operating system itself. What actually gets reset? When you tap that button, here is exactly what your iPhone or iPad will forget. Network settings. Your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings will be wiped out. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and repair your headphones. Apple Pay. Your credit and debit cards will be removed from your Apple Wallet for security reasons. You'll need to re-add them. Privacy and location. Any permissions you gave to apps, like allow Instagram to access my camera, will be reset. Apps will ask for permission again the next time you open them. Display and sounds. Your custom wallpaper will be gone. Your brightness will go back to auto, and your custom ringtones or alarms will return to the defaults. Keyboard dictionary. Any custom words or slang your keyboard has learned will be cleared out. Why use it? So, why would you ever want to do this? You should use Reset All Settings when your iPhone is acting weird, but a simple restart didn't fix it. Common reasons include your Wi-Fi keeps dropping even after you've forgotten the network. An app, like the camera or settings app, keeps crashing or freezing. Your battery is draining unusually fast, and you can't find a specific app causing it. Your screen brightness or volume is behaving erratically. By resetting the settings, you clear out the deep-level software conflicts that can happen over the years of software updates without the hassle of a full factory restore. How to do it? If you're ready to try it, here's the steps. Step 1. Open Settings and tap General. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Tap Reset. Step 4. Select Reset All Settings. Step 5. Enter your passcode, confirm the action, and your device will restart. And finally, a pro tip. Be very careful on that final menu. There's another option right below it called Erase All Content and Settings. That will delete your photos, your apps, and your data. If you are just trying to fix a bug, make sure you only tap Reset All Settings. And it's always a good idea to have a recent iCloud backup before doing any kind of reset, just for peace of mind. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.